Let's look at the best auto tune for singing. You ready? Let's do this right after the intro. The name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video like this. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now and we're gonna look at the best auto tune for singing. We're gonna test some few auto tunes, and right after this you will know how to use auto tune and also decide the best auto tune that you can invest in if you're on a budget. All right, so we're gonna use this project that I recorded. All right, I'm gonna play the vocals for you to listen, but before then I've routed the vocals to mixer track 2 and the beat to mixer track 5. That's pretty simple. And over here I created a group channel or a group track that I played reverb on, and I'm using the old school verb. You can actually get this reverb by watching this video that will pop up on the screen, or you can go back to my channel and watch the free reverbs that you can actually get as a beginner. All right, and I will show you how to get this particular reverb. So over here, this is the vocals. Let's rename it by right clicking, going to rename. Let's call it vocals. All right, and we're gonna give it a color. You know my favorite, I'll go for yellow. Now for today, let's change to this color. Hit accept and hit accept here again. All right, so now this is our vocals. This is the group channel or the add channel. Over here we have the old school verb. All right, and this is my settings. As you can see, it's pretty simple. This is the pre-delay, the space. Let me play the vocals without any effect. Go back here, bypass the EQ, mute the reverb for now. Then go to the playlist, listen to this particular vocals without any effect. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie, come be my girl. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie, come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. Alright, so that's pretty simple. I'm gonna add the beat. Listen without any effect. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie, come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know me, you get then tell me who. That's super simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Make sure you give this particular video a like. Let me know where you are watching me from. Let's continue. What I put on the vocals was parametric EQ, a default EQ from FL Studio, and this was my settings. All right, I cut off some of the low ends, boosted some of the high ends a little bit, and let's listen to this on our vocals. I want you to use good headset and monitors so that you can actually hear the difference. All right, mute the beat. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie, come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me. If you want to know how to use EQ, then make sure you watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go back to the channel and watch how to use EQ as a beginner. Now, next thing that I did, I routed the vocals to this group track here, and over here I introduced the old school verb. All right, that's pretty simple. As I said, this was my settings. You can screenshot it. Then now guys, over here we're gonna introduce the auto tunes. So the very first auto tune on the list is Autotune Pro. Autotune Pro is simple to use. It comes with the routine speed, the flex tune, the natural vibrator, and the humanize. Over here you can choose your key and also choose your scale from here. You can also adjust the size. One thing I love about this Autotune, alright, it's pretty neat. So listen to that on the vocal. The key is D minor. This is the routine speed. Listen to this on our vocals.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
This crazy, alright? I'm gonna mute the beat for now. Listen to this once again.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
So if you need Autotune that can take your mixing to the next level, then you can actually go for Antares Auto-Tune Pro.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
Alright, moving on to the next Autotune on the list. Alright guys, the next Autotune on the list is Autotune Artist. You can actually see that Antares are doing great job. Alright, so Autotune Artist also comes with the routine speed, the flex tune, and the humanized knob. I mean natural vibrator too. Here you can choose your scale, then set your key here. So it was D minor, we're gonna do that. Change the input to low mil. If you are here and you don't know how to use Autotune, I have a full video there that I'm going to take you through step by step how to use Autotune as a beginner. So make sure you go back to my channel and watch most of my previous videos. Alright, so this is Autotune Artist. I'm going to push the routine speed all the way up, humanize it a little bit. Now guys, let's listen to Autotune Artist on our vocals.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
Now moving on to the next Autotune, which is Autotune Access. It also comes with the scale here, simple to use, then the key, the routine speed, and the humanized knob. You can see the interface is simple to use. Listen to this on our vocals.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
Alright, that's pretty simple. You can actually tell the difference. They all come with different tastes. Alright, I want you to use good headsets and monitors for you to hear the difference between them. Now guys, if you're also looking for best Autotune for singing, you can actually go back to the old versions of Autotunes, and one of them is the Autotune U. Autotune U is also a great Autotune to use for singing. Comes with the routine speed, the humanized knob, then your input type. You can actually create unique vocals by playing with these knobs here. For the meantime, we're gonna stick to the routine speed and the humanized knob. Now listen to this.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. you no be you, I get nobody else. If you no be you, girl, then tell me who.
I can never talk about Autotune even without talking about Autotune 8.1. Alright, so the next best Autotune for singing is Autotune 8.1. This is also a great Autotune to use for singing. Change the key to D, push the routine speed all the way up, give it a little bit humanize, comes with natural vibrator correction style, create vibrator here. Alright, then the input type, you're gonna stick to low mill. Guys, listen to the taste from Autotune 8.1.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you the kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
That's pretty simple. Now, how do you use Autotune? If you're a beginner and you want to know how to use Autotune, the very first thing that you have to pay attention to is your key. So the key, you have to choose the right scale. All right, if you are not the producer who made that beat, all you have to do is to train your ears, and whilst you are playing the beat or the vocals, play around this scale together with the key here, and the one that's gonna sound great in your ears, choose that. Or you can also use auto key detectors. One of the best auto key detector plugin is the auto key from Antares. You can invest into that, and that's gonna speed up your production. Also, you can use the virtual DJ to detect the right key. If you want to know this, watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go back to my channel and watch that after watching this particular video. Now, after detecting the key, all you have to do is to play with this routine speed. The more you crank the routine speed all the way up, the more Autotune, the more T-pain you're gonna feel. Alright, so now I'm gonna mute the beat, then let's exaggerate things here. So listen to the vocals when I push the routine speed all the way back.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine.
So now you can hear that we are feeling less Autotune. We are not getting the T-pain effect, and we're gonna push this routine speed all the way up. Listen once again.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you the kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know.
Although I'm not a good singer, but if you're able to set the right key, give it the right routine speed, then almost 80% of the auto-tune process is done. Next thing you have to pay attention to is the humanize knob. When we auto-tune our vocals, we sound robotic, alright? And we don't want that, so we add realism to the vocals by pushing this humanize knob a little bit up, alright? So that we not gonna sound like robots, we want to sound like human beings. All right, then the next thing that you have to pay attention to is the input type. Till now I cannot tell you which of them is the best, but all you need to do is to play around the soprano, the alto tenor, and the low male. If it's a female, you can stick to the soprano, but if it's a male, play around these three, and the one that's gonna sound great in your ears, just choose that. All right, from there you can add natural vibrator or this correction style. If you want to know much about Autotune 8.1, I have a full video there, you can go and watch that. But if you're able to set the key, set the right input type, the right routine speed, push in the right humanize knob, then guys, you are cool to go. You can also create unique vocals by playing with this throat length and the transpose. Let's exaggerate things here. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like. Let me know where you are watching me from. So now you heard the difference. You can also play with the scale detune. Let's exaggerate things.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you they kill me slow.
That's pretty
Wanna be your
simple.
king,
That's
so
pretty
be
simple. And some of the auto tunes you can enable the low latency so that you can save more CPU. All right, I mean, if your machine has a low CPU, you can turn on this, and this is gonna help you save more tracking or live performance. All right, so play around with this, and guys, you are cool to go. Just give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, let me know where you are watching me from. So if you are looking for the best auto tune for singing, go for any of these. All right, how do you use reverb like a pro? Watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.